Mitered cuts, cutting precise angles using a miter gauge or a sled. Among the many markings on a speed square, some of these indicate the angle of the cut. Putting the speed square's lip on a board will give you the 90-degree line. But when you tilt the speed square along that pivot point, you start getting some fancy angles. On the pivot, that 15-degree line is aligned with my board, which means that the opposite end is now marking 15 degrees. And you can see how that differs from the 90-degree lines next to it. You can freehand these cuts, but it's much easier to set up a guide. I normally just grab a clamp, I line up that reference angle one more time, then I lock it in place. And again, line that angle up with the corresponding side of the board. The other side of the speed square is going to have that exact angle. And that's something that you can now use as a guide for your circular saw. That cut will match that same angle.